Welcome, my children. Let's continue with our chapter that is using list and tables in HTML5. Well, for today, we'll be learning about list. List makes your web page more readable and attractive. And here we have three types of list, that is unordered list, ordered list, and description list. Unordered list is also known as bulleted list. The next is ordered list, which is known as numbered list. And the third, we have description list. Well, this list is used mostly for displaying definition terms and their description. So today we'll be understanding how to use unordered list and ordered list. So let's begin with our examples. Here they are. So let's open first the notepad and let's start typing. The first HTML tag is here, and then we'll go for the head tag. After that, we'll type title tag and we'll give a title to our web page, that is using list is the title of my web page. Let's close the title tag. Remember, you have to always close the tags. Next, we'll go for the style tag and we will type over here style type is equal to, and then we will type here text CSS. Next, let's give a style to the body. Here we'll write background color, and in case if you know about RGB colors, if you know the numbers, you can type the codes here or you can simply type pick. Next is heading 1. I'm giving a style for my H1, that is heading 1. I have given color red. Let's close the style tag and the head tag is closed. Here we start the body structure, and this is the first tag, that is H1. We have written over here benefits of positive. After that, here we have the UL tag. We'll start with the unordered list first. LI, we are writing for the list. As many items you have in your UL tag, you will keep on writing LI. LI is only an opening tag and there is no closing tag for it. Let's save our file. Remember, while saving, we have to use get all files, and we'll give a name list.html. Remember to close the UL tag, body tag, and HTML tag. After saving it, let's click here on HTML, save here, and then we will open the file. So here the file is open. Let's check here, and this is the file. Okay, so here your file is. Here you can see it, benefits of positive, and here is it is an unordered list. Let's give a style to our list, li. Li, remember, as many lists you have, you can keep on typing li. So you have written over here color green. So here after refreshing it, you can see it comes to green color. Let's go back and let's change this here, and instead of ul I'm typing ol, and let's see what comes up now. Save it, and here we'll refresh. 1, 2 and 3, you can see the numbers have come. This is a numbered list. Okay, next let's make a change one more here now. Ol start equal to, typing here 5, and then we'll write here refresh. You can see the number started from 5, 5, 6 and 7. And in case if you write reverse, the moment you write reverse, you can see the everything comes in a reversed form. So here we'll change the type now. Instead of using 1, 2, 3, we'll use A alphabets. Here it has come A, B, C. See, there are different types for defining your list. You can use capital A, uppercase, lowercase. In Roman numbers you can write. So we are writing Roman number here now. So here you can change the list. Next is UL tag. For giving a style to UL tag, you can change the type. There are three types for UL tag. One is disk, one is circle, one is square. So here it is disk. By default it accepts disk only, and then we'll go for square now. It appears square if you see. Next is we'll type over here circle, and here is a circle. Okay, let's go for change. Let's give a style to the list, and here instead of color blue green, I'm typing blue here now, and here it is, it's in blue color. So next thing, I'll be giving a style here now. We'll type here text hyphen align hyphen, and here I'll type top font size 30 pixel. So now let's check this. Here the size has increased. So here we are giving a style to the list li. Okay, the next thing here, let's go for an now we'll understand the inline style which we have learned last year. So for that, before that, let me copy this and paste it down, and let me make one more list here. So I'll be writing here benefits of negativity. I'm just typing here, changing some contents. Let me change the content. I'll remove the circle and I'm typing a square. False, efficient. We'll go for no teamwork. Let's save and check. Yes, so we have two types of list now here. Okay, next thing is here, let's give a style to this. Style is equal to, so here we are giving a style of position. Let's use inside position and outside position. For the upper list we are using outside, and for the lower one we are using inside. So let's see what happens when I save this. At a style is equal to list style hyphen position. So let me change this to hyphen. It's hyphen over here, both the places hyphen will come. Okay, now let's save and check in the browser window. Yeah, so here you can see this, the upper is outside and this one is inside. Fine, this was outside and inside. So these are different list styles we have just understood. So that's all, my children. Thank you very much. God bless you.